Hello everyone, welcome to Jade Eden, a channel for amazing facts and information. In this video, we are going to talk about the surprising sea moss benefits you may not know about. Watch this video till the end so you don't miss any information worth seeing, and make sure to subscribe to Jade Eden, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our future uploads. Sea moss, or Irish moss, is a type of sea algae that people can add to food or take as a nutritional supplement. Sea moss is naturally rich in minerals and vitamins, and may have some potential health benefits with regular use. Sea moss typically refers to a specific type of algae or seaweed called Chondrus crispus. It is a spiny, edible plant, and has some similarities to other edible seaweeds such as kombu, dulse, or wakame. Sea moss grows naturally in waters and tide pools along rocky coasts, such as coasts of the northern Atlantic Ocean. Common sea moss is a red seaweed, though it can grow in different colors as well, depending on factors such as the local climate and water temperatures. Similar to other sea vegetables, sea moss is a natural source of the mineral iodine. Sea moss has a history of use in cultures close to where the moss naturally grows. Sea moss is a natural source of a thickener called carrageenan. This can make it a good addition to soups, stews, or other foods that need thickening. Here are the top sea moss benefits that you may not know about. Number 11. Promotes overall health and wellness. Sea moss, also known as Irish moss, is a powerful superfood filled with various nutrients and minerals. It's brimming with antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory agents that can keep your body running in tip-top condition. Number 10. Improves blood circulation. Sea moss can help improve blood circulation by easing inflammation and creating a pathway for your blood to flow through. Good blood circulation can lead to better focus, spiked energy levels, and a stronger libido. Number 9. Soothes skin complications. You can use the anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of sea moss to help ease skin problems such as psoriasis, burns, dermatitis, and eczema. It has a rich, creamy, gel-like texture that's soothing to the skin. Rich in sulfur, sea moss is a great addition to most skincare routines. When applied topically as a gel mask, it can eliminate unwanted microorganisms that lead to acne, but it also moisturizes your skin. Additionally, sea moss contains collagen, which can keep your skin looking and feeling healthy, and may also be an effective conditioning agent for your hair. Number 8. Speeds up weight loss. The high iodine content of sea moss can stimulate the production of thyroid hormones. These control your appetite and metabolism. Plus, sea moss retains water, making you feel full and suppressing cravings. To make the most of its weight loss benefits, try adding sea moss to your favorite diet shakes. You can even use it as a meal replacement if you really want to shed fat fast. Talk to a nutritionist right away if you experience fatigue or tiredness while following a low-calorie diet. Not everyone is capable of functioning on a limited supply of calories and carbs. Weight loss effects may vary with each type of seaweed, and much of the research focuses on isolated compounds, rather than the effects of sea moss generally. Seaweeds may help support weight loss. In a 12-week study of 78 adults, those who took 1,000 milligrams of red seaweed extract per day had a significant reduction in total body fat mass and body weight than the placebo group. Number 7. Supports anemia treatment. Poor oxygen levels in your blood will negatively affect your hemoglobin and red blood cell count. To prevent the issue from worsening and turning into anemia, make sure you eat iron-rich foods such as sea moss. As a supplement to your diet, sea moss may help you fight off common infections and viruses like the flu. This is due to its high content of amino acids, antioxidants, and vitamins. Iron is a very important mineral when it comes to fighting anemia. In fact, anemic patients heavily rely on iron supplements and medication for their treatment. Number 6. Eases joint swelling. The fish oils and fatty acids found in sea moss are excellent anti-inflammatory agents. They can help reduce joint swelling, improve flexibility, and promote overall mobility. Some of the people who can benefit from these include arthritis patients. Try drinking sea moss shakes along with your arthritis medication. Doing so may give you more control over your joint inflammation and swelling. Athletes, speed up joint recovery by drinking post-workout sea moss shakes. It will help with joint fluid production to keep your limbs loose and nimble. The elderly, the body becomes more prone to inflammation as it ages. You can help suppress swelling by drinking anti-inflammatory supplements such as sea moss. Number 5. Improves libido levels and sexual performance. Caribbean natives have been using sea moss as a natural aphrodisiac for years now. Its high zinc content allows the body to produce more sex hormones, which play a key role in boosting libido levels. Also, the iron found in sea moss can help increase your endurance. It'll pump your body with hemoglobin, and keep the oxygen flowing throughout your bloodstream. Number 4. Boosts gut health. Sea moss has a thick, rich texture that soothes mucous membranes in the digestive tract. They coat each one in the gut and protect him from diseases such as an ulcer. Studies also suggest that sea moss provides prebiotic benefits during the digestion process. This includes functions such as removing bad gut bacteria, boosting gut immunity, and stimulating short-chain fatty acid production. Plus, sea moss is loaded with healthy dietary fiber. Getting enough of these every day is important so you can flush out harmful toxins and chemicals in your body. Sea moss serves as a prebiotic for your gut, which allows good bacteria to thrive. It's also full of fiber, which promotes a healthy colon and digestive system, while removing harmful bacteria. Sea moss may also promote fat loss and improved metabolism. Number 3. Improves overall mood. Your emotional health is as important as your physical well-being. Sea moss contains vitamins and minerals that act as mood boosters, such as magnesium and potassium. Potassium is a very important mineral that supports mental and emotional health. A deficiency in potassium can lead to confusion, depression, anxiety, nervousness, and fatigue. Since the body doesn't store potassium for extended periods, you need to replenish your body with it regularly. And one way you can do so is by drinking your share of sea moss every day. Sea moss has about 2 times more potassium than an average-sized banana and about twice a few calories. If you're trying to boost mineral consumption without packing on weight, you should consider adding it to your diet. It's also rich in vitamin B2, vitamin B9, and iron. If your diet is primarily plant-based, consider adding sea moss to some of your meals. Number 2. Clears respiratory system of mucus. Suffering from a blocked sinus? You can use sea moss to help clear your respiratory or lymphatic system. The high chloride, chlorophyll, potassium chloride, and omega-3 fatty acid contents of sea moss make it a good decongestant. They also have antimicrobial and anti-inflammation properties that can help ease swelling and dissolve mucus. You can use this to combat the flu, common cold, and various allergic reactions. If the symptoms persist, however, make sure you consult with a medical specialist right away. Number 1. Supports thyroid health. Thyroid hormone imbalance often leads to fatigue, extreme weight gain, loss, fertility issues, and frequent muscle pain. There are a number of things you can do to support thyroid health, and one of them is by consuming sea moss. Sea moss has always been a staple in alternative medicine, but it wasn't until the early 21st century when the claims got backed by studies and research. One study even showed that sea moss might be effective in speeding up thyroid treatment among African women. What makes eating sea moss a good way to support thyroid health is its high iodine content, a mineral that stimulates the production of thyroid hormones. Diets rich in iodine may support thyroid health. The thyroid needs this mineral to create and use important hormones in the body. Without enough iodine, the thyroid may not function properly and could cause metabolic issues. As a natural source of iodine, types of sea algae such as sea moss may help prevent iodine deficiency. That's it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Do you find it helpful? Let us know in the comment section below. As always, please remember to subscribe to Jade Eden, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss many more videos like this. For additional information or questions, please visit our blog at www.jadeeden.com. Talk to you all in our next video. Take care.